I hope I can be seen. Let's fix this. Okay. Okay. Hello everyone. Simply You Makeup is here. I am leaving the house after I just finished the makeup look, and I am heading to Target. I gotta cook, and I need to get something like quick to go cook. Oh yeah, lots of ducks hanging out today. Yep, I need to put the window up. Oh my god, they're all hanging out. How many of them? I gotta be careful. Oh, those babies have grown. So when I get to I don't get to drive my car much. My son drives my car, so we put this little hangy, smelly stuff to smell nice in the car. So that's what that was. I'm going to turn the camera, take you for a drive, and go shopping. I'm not going to pick up much. I'm misled foot over here. I am always misled foot. Waste no time. Go where I'm going and come back when I'm done. Stop sign. Again, this little thing. You see how much gas? Just waiting for traffic. So many cars, and there's always a straggler car that always, when everybody else is gone, there is always a straggler. So that's what it is. Making sure there's not a police officer up front, Okay, we are off to the races. By the time I finish Target, it's gonna be time for supper because I should have gone earlier, but I sat down, I talked to other people, then I did my makeup, and then I sit back and relax, and now I am heading for Target. We are all making the right turn. Everybody's making the right turn. Off the car, and I'm putting it in so you can see the scenery instead of the license plate of people. Oh, this is my little vlog, Florida vlog. Make sure the last I almost went Target without money. Here's my purse. Got my purse. Waiting for traffic to move. Did I take my tissue paper because my nose is always running? Yep, you can't go. You're not there yet. Sometimes I don't know. Where did you get your license from? The rules of the road. Sometimes I don't think everybody knows them. Or sometimes I think we forget the rules of the road. Don't move. That's me on the road. This is too funny. Sometimes they want to make a turn and it's not their turn, so it's like, don't move. Get my tires. Oh shoot, I'm going to get the lights. Oh, Nobody was under it, so it didn't change. Very nice, very nice. It did not change. Oh, looks like an ambulance. There's an accident. Not where I'm going. Oh yeah, it's an accident where I'm going. What the hell? Oh my good Lord. Oh, they're finishing up. Oh my God. Let's see if I can spin you around to see that accident on the other side. They just left. Oh, he got a nice bang. Bang for his buck. Not good. That's a bad accident. His whole car. Ooh, well, make sure I don't come back this way because there's debris in the road. Oh my good Lord, are they over on that side? Lord Jesus, help them. Walk into Super Target. Just arrived. Locking my door. Okay, I'm far from both entrances, but I'll figure something out. Let me show you the Target. I'm inside Target. I'm out here looking for a vacuum cleaner, so I pick this one. I don't have a pet, but I picked this one. You can tell I've not been shopping that often, trying to find chicken to cook. Oh my God, the shelves are empty. Shelves are empty. I'll pick this. And I pick some steak up for my hubby. I think that's all I need. These are the section where they already seasoned, but I don't want that. I season my own. Although this one looks really good. I think that's all I need from Target. My coffee filter. This, and that's it. That is it. Okay, now put everything in my trunk. I am now heading back home from Target. I am going home to cook. Hopefully you enjoyed this little ride with me today. Because not often I get to go out. I know I said I wasn't gonna pass here because there was an accident there and there's a lot of debris on the road. They haven't cleaned it up yet. OMG. Oh well, they take some out, so much better. I don't want to cut this person off. I'm giving them free will to go. I don't want to cut you off. Not at all. They made the light. That's good. They needed that light. That's why they were going so fast. They made it. Me and my little that is too funny. When I'm in the car, I either have music on or I have no music on. It's like my quiet space. I have no clue what my makeup looked like outside. I went into Target. I didn't check to see what it looked like. But you know when you film on the light and when you go to natural, sometimes it looks a little different. I have no clue how my makeup looked. But I was in Target and I walk around and you know, that's just what it is. I don't care if it is off, if it doesn't look right in daylight, I am going where I have to go, and that's it. That is it. Oh, it is a beautiful day today. It is very nice, very, very nice outside, but it's also hot outside. So you all come with me on my little trip, my little vlog for today. That is so nice. I appreciate you all driving with me today. I love it. Remember, I love to remind you that you are first. You are first. You are always first. Always, always, always put you first. And then you can help others. If you're not well, you can't help anybody else. So keep yourself healthy. Keep yourself well. And then you'll be able to help a whole lot of other people. And that is all I can say. Your happiness, your joy, your comfort comes first. It has to. Because there is no way you can be sick laying down in a bed and help other people. You have to be well first. That's just how it goes. If you take care of self, you'll be able to take care of other people. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. I'm watching traffic. Take care of self. Be well. Be kind. Have a little bit of grace for you. Have a little bit of mercy for you. And again, I'm wearing a matte lipstick. I don't know what that lipstick looks like on my lip. I have no clue. I don't just go. I just do my stuff and go. It doesn't matter what other people think. My happiness comes first. This makes me happy. And if other people don't see it, that's their problem, not mine. Because at the same time, while they are being unhappy, my joy is like bubbling. So that's why I just do my stuff and go about my business. Oh my good Lord, I will show you what I have, because even though I did tell you I wasn't gonna pick up anything extra, I did pick up 2 more extra things. I'm just paying attention to the garage. I'm pulling into the garage and I will show you what I get, and then we can end this very nice vlog, right? I am so glad you came with me. You're beautiful, I'm beautiful, we are all beautiful people just gelling in this world together. Let me show you what I get. I am back home. I am going to cook. Let me show you everything I picked up. I picked this up because I have a huge space that needs cleaning. And this says it does floor and carpet. So that's why I bought this. I'm gonna try that. And then I pick these 3 things up, which you saw: the chicken, the steak, and this. But then I added the organic honey for my husband. I added the natural peanut butter for me. And I'm gonna cook the reduced sodium black beans. And I'm gonna bake the chicken and some vegetables, and that'll be supper. Thank you all again for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed, be well. Bye bye.